What's up, everybody? Welcome to Rockin' the Country. I'm Don. We do non-pop country reactions and reviews around here. Today is a reaction. I don't know this song. I don't even know the group. I was just scouting through Reddit. I go on Reddit, which is another website, and some guy posted this song, this group. I'd never heard of them. I'm like, you know what? Let me take a flyer here and see if they know their stuff there. So I'm going to do a reaction to Blue Rodeo, Rain Down on Me. That's it. Nobody on the channel requested it. I don't think the guy who posted on Reddit is on the channel. He could be, I suppose. I don't know where they're from. I don't know anything. I don't do research because I like the reactions to be pure, so to speak. And it's not a research channel. It's a reaction channel. So here we go. Rolling Stones feel to it even. Intriguing.
We never need forgiveness. Left on that 17, raised up on hate to a life that's second rate. I've seen that look before behind some closing doors that couldn't be delivered, just won't be denied.
I like the phrasing.
Too much a child, confident and wild. Nobody taught you how to live, what you keep and what to give. Oh, now she talks to strangers, bring her flowers for her head, and every night you count on me, get you out the door. Oh, then you smile and watch me lose control. Rain on me, oh, rain down on me.
I'm pausing for a second. I like it. I mean, straight up, I like it. It's obvious it got rock fused into it. I still am comfortable posting this on the channel, even though we do non-pop. This isn't pop, but there's like a fusion. I'm hearing a lot of influences in here. I mentioned right away, I heard the Stones from, I think, like Angie, but then I also heard sort of lyrically Train, the artist, the group Train, and but then I don't know if that's real steel that's going on in there or if somebody's just bending the strings. Eric Clapton will do that sometimes. He won't even have a slide. It'll just be bending and it sounds like steel sometimes. But all right, let's see where these guys go.
Oh, rain down on me, yeah. I used to think I knew what I was waiting for. I don't think that anymore.
Nice. Slightly Allman Brothers-y.
Didn't know what to bring you. Don't seem to need too much at all. No pearls and chains, and nobody's sad refrains. Every time I wonder why, think back to the kindness in your eyes. Now everybody wants you. Bring you flowers for your head.
right, before they keep going here, I just want to say there are some compositions where if you're just listening, driving, or you're doing whatever around the house, you wouldn't necessarily pick up on how much thought they put into this composition. I don't know who arranged it. I don't know who the producer was, but there is so much going on in here. We've got a relatively common thread going through with the drums, but the different phrasing coming in with the different instruments between the keyboard and what sounds like a steel here and there. The piano is being brought in. And I said I thought it might have been Rolling Stones' Angie, but I think it's more Rolling Stones' Wild Horses. That's what I'm hearing with the drum coming in and other phrasing, instrumental phrasing of it. Very unique.
Rain on me, oh, rain down on me, oh, rain down on me, yeah. I used to think I knew what I was fighting for. Oh, I don't think that anymore.
Good realization. Oh, they faded out with the piano there. That was nice. There was a lot of thought put into this song. I mean, some folks who are just pure traditional might say that's too rock, too loud, too this. And I get it. You know, we all have our tastes and such. But I, of course, rock into country. Those of you who've been around the channel know, but if you're new to the channel, I was a rock guy. I grew up a rock guy. I'm not an instrumentalist or anything, but listening to rock. And then I got into, punk rock. And then eventually I got into Nashville country, but that was only about 15 years ago. Then when I started the channel about 4 years ago, 3.5, 4 years ago, I was doing reactions and reviews of Nashville country. And then you guys saw the way I liked lyrics, and then you started recommending traditional artists, and that's where I totally got on board with traditional about 3 years ago. But I still like a good rock-based song. And I've done reactions to like Red Dirt country artists and, Stoney LaRue, and for example, and just rock-oriented country. And this was its own genre, though. I couldn't place it. It's not, I don't see it as Red Dirt. Maybe some folks out there like David Emsweiler and folks who really know that genre and distinctions in them, if you could even classify this as that. But I would still keep this within the country fold. I could see this being played at a country concert with some other ballads and other such, country influences. But I'm fascinated. Blue Rodeo, I mean, the name itself suggests country and or Western, which this was neither in its purest sense, certainly not Western, but I liked it. I mean, what do I even rate this song? I don't have any basis of comparison really, but I'm going to go by feel. And out of respect for the way it was arranged and the intricacy of the different instruments and when they came in and when they went out, and there was a consistency in the bass, pretty much in the drum line, drum beat going through it. But the bass line too, that was sort of very creatively hidden, which actually the bass is supposed to generally does that. It just sort of stays underneath, so the other things are brought on top. That's just my philosophy of music, my theory of it. And then the lyrics come on top, but all this holds that up. I'm going to come in with a straight 9. Man, I've been on a good run here lately. I'm loving this. I'm going to have to check out more of these guys. So I'm going to post this in the Reddit thread, and then whoever you could comment, and anybody else wants to comment too. I'm going to try to find the person who recommended this song. All right, have a great day, guys. I'll see you on another video. Keep rocking the country. Blue Rodeo. I like these guys.